This is done for Earth Day, and we're here at the Learning Center at Windham Heights. And we took the kids down to a vernal pool, which is a wet area that dries up usually by July. It has a lot of obligate species, which are wood frogs, yellow spotted salamanders, and fairy shrimp. They dry up by July, so the animals have to metamorphosize very quickly to get where they are. It was full of garbage, and the kids absolutely understand that for part of Earth Day, it has to be cleaned. We can't leave the earth so filthy. The way we have been treating the earth since time immemorial, except now we have more people, the population is larger. We really need to take care of the earth, and these kids particularly really love what they're doing.
Earth Day means that we can clean up the earth and
be like
plant
good with the earth.
Plant some seeds, some trees, and clean the earth.
What they like the most is that the hands-on projects that we are involved with they become their discoveries, because it's not something that's one-dimensional in a textbook that they learn about at a classroom. They come out here and it's their discovery, and then that's what gets them excited, and then they want to tell you all about it, and it's absolutely fantastic. We get to do this every day that it's seasonal, and even if it's not seasonal, they'll be out there in the cold. We slide on the ice in the winter time, and we just appreciate the fact that we do have this beautiful resource with the Natchog River, and we have the availability of the access.